Today I will teach you how to add a product in the automated accounting system, Botkeeping. The first thing you need to do is log in to your account. Type your company name, for example, I will type Water, the name of the software developer, ripacmarketingsolution.com. Then enter. Once you've reached the site, click the login button. Fill in the form with your email and password. Once you've finished filling in, click Sign In. Now that we've entered, we need to go to the Customer module, click the Customer module. After clicking the module, click the plus button above to add customer. After that, we need to fill in the accurate preferences of our new customer. First, we need to determine if our customer is an individual or non-individual. In this particular situation, the customer is an individual because he or she is not involved in a company or a group. Unlike other customers that buy items to supply the need of a running business or company. So, let's click individual. Next is the personal information of the customer. The customer's last name, first name, and middle name. After that we need to identify if the customer owns a business. If not, like this instance, write NA on both business name and address section. Then let us input the current address of our customer. You can also add the phone number and email of the customer. Now you can just put NA on the tin, branch code, and fax if your customer doesn't run a business. But if the customer runs, feel free to type in the information. Once you're done, just click Create. After clicking the Create button, a piece of information will appear. It informs the user that the operation that is taken is successful. Let's go to Add New Entry and check if the customer is present. As we can see, the customer that we recently added to the system is present. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos about the automated accounting system, Botkeeping, click the subscribe button below, or you can visit us on our website and Facebook page in the link that is shown. Have a good day ahead.